It's a very exciting moment for us because I have a very important announcement to make. We have launched in world premiere the first market-ready blockchain-based peer-to-peer electricity retail platform. I know that's a long string of words, but what it really means is that from now on, energy consumers can purchase renewable energy directly from producers, and all the settlements are done on a blockchain, and the energy gets physically delivered.
Yes.
And suppliers like us can join the platform and provide their customers with this unique opportunity, not just to buy cheaper energy, but also to make a significant contribution to the future of humanity, right?
Yes.
I think our role is very important because energy is part of the global warming problem, right?
Yes.
Energy is an important part,
yes,
along with mobility and industry. And we are trying to solve this by increasing the amount of renewable energy that can be consumed. You know, the current status of the grid does not support a future increase of millions and millions of prosumers, of electric vehicles. We have to take into consideration that the grids were designed in the 70s, in the 80s, 50 years ago, and they were designed to be operated centrally.
Yes.
Afterwards, an unbundling process took place. Market roles were separated to make the process more efficient, but the grid, the infrastructure remained central. And now we have to figure out a way how we can include, you know, in Europe, it's estimated that until 2030, there will be something like 50 million electric vehicles and more than 30 million prosumers. So that's 80 million people that are somehow active in the grid. They give something back to the grid. They produce energy, they take it with them, they charge their cars, and these electric vehicles can store energy and give it back to the grid in peak time. So they can be used not just as storage and providing a means of electromobility. They can also be used to flatten the curve, to help the grid during peak times. That means less investment in infrastructure. But there's a problem. If we don't find a way to connect all these energy citizens, they will act like islands. So what we created right now has the potential to connect everything that's running on the grid, prosumers, electric vehicles, Internet of Things, smart devices, and account for all these energy transfers, because this is the most important thing. How do you account for the fact that somebody sent energy to somebody else? You cannot do it today. You need a system, and this is what we've done. We created a marketplace, a global marketplace for transferring energy.
Like you said, peer-to-peer transactions.
Exactly, peer-to-peer transactions. So imagine everything is done on the blockchain. It's transparent, and this brings credibility. And credibility brings adoption.
Yes. I think that in the background we have some images from your platform for the public.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Yes,
we do.
It's another premiere when we can see those images. Yes.
The app is live. It has a web version on www.redplatform.com, but it also has mobile apps which you can download on Google Play and the App Store. And I urge anybody interested to try the app and give us some feedback.